जो भातर शुरू HC All India Chakma Students Unionor Conference Guwahatit elo Conference CHT Accord non-implementation or Barodor national security suloine discussion oye Siot advocate Kuldip Besha or senior journalist Nobotakuria Basandon Thara CHT Azal Hoda Nithulidachun CHT Arm Group Punor Narco Trafficking Election Sara Regional Council or District Councilor Bangladeshor Sarkaror Dalalune বহুত বজর ধৰি চালাদন আর CHT তুন ইন্ডিয়ার সিকিউরিটি প্রবলেম এজার হিনে ইন্টেলিজেন্স এজেন্সি উনর ইনভেস্টিগেশন গরানা উচিত এডভোকেট কুলদীপ বৈশ্য নাম নলয়নে নার্কো ট্রাফিকিং আর মানি লন্ডারিংর হদা হইয়ে তা এনফোর্সমেন্ট ডাইরেক্টরেটর উকিল বেক খবর পায় সন্তুল আর্মা গ্রুপর ভারতত ড্রাগ ট্রাফিকিং বেকুনে হওয়ার ফান তারা মানি লন্ডারিং গরন বহুত ইন্ডিয়ান চাকমা JSSর ঠেঙাহান এডভোকেট কুলদীপ বৈশ্য হি হইয়ে তা হদান তুমি শুনিছ
Now, as because sitting in here, I am not going to the details of the accord. Accord is more known to you all. Some issues, maybe some challenges may come as a professional of, that is my being a professional of my legal profession. Can we see the entire linkage along with and the things we are suffering here in NDPS matter? Narco terrorism, what we are finding, because I am I have my specialization is money laundering. I am appearing for a special public prosecutor for ED. So I used to have to go with all this and being also additional public prosecutor for the state prosecution.
CHT tun security problem ejar hine Indian intelligence sunore investigate gorana proyojon ar Bharat sarkaror relax gorana uchit noy gori Nobotakuria hoye Nobotakuria hi hoye suniso.
Another aspect of what we should mention about the Cox's Bazar and Chittagong become a hub of Rohingya militants. You know, the neighboring province is the Chin, the Burmese Chin province, also Arakan, or you can say Rakhine province. In 2017, around 7 lakh Rohingya Muslims were stitched or they have thrown away from the Arakan to Bangladesh. There are sizable population of Rohingya Muslim in Cox's Bazar camps. Some of them entered India also because a lot of being captured. So Rohingya is another very, very dangerous kind of add to this problem. Now Chittagong may be a hub of militants belong to Rohingya, belong to even Northeast militants, because during the Hasina's period they would say out, but now they say no, we will go back, and maybe some Northeastern separatist militant go to Chittagong, have their bases, and of course Chakma has its own armed group. So all this armed group may create really difficult. Of what Kuldip has said about is a window to look at this region. The security concern is very much raised from Chittagong, and government of India must look into the issue. Often our government become very reluctant and they say, oh, Bangladesh is this, Bangladesh issue, this internal issue. But sometimes when it affects your population, it affects your people, it should be done. In 85, if government of India thought that Assamese are doing good job, they are in fact alarming the nation about the Bangladeshi menace, it would have been very different. And maybe Bangladesh government would have treated Chakmas in a different way. This is my submission that Government of India, I believe you are sitting in a Guwahati talking about all this issue. Government of India must have intelligence people. They will must look at the issue and note the issue that Chittagong cannot be volatile once again. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us as well.
Journalist Nobotakuria CHT District Council or Regional Councilor election demand gucci. Te hoye dan nole unelected manuchon dakar hoda suniba. Nobotakuria thabasana thi hoye sen suniso.
Another issue I think Samol and somebody else will clarify. In the Chittagong Hill Track, there are 3 districts. All 3 district council is not elected for the many years since the beginning of this. Now they are nominated. If you become nominated member, they can normally go to the dictation of the particular person who has nominated you. So Chittagong Hill District Council, Regional Council, they should get their own people elected by the local population. Otherwise, if nominated people go inside this district council or regional council, they will manipulate the issue. Otherwise, they will follow the dictation of the Dhaka. And Dhaka dictation is not or may not be in favor of Chittagong people or Chakma people. So Chakmas in India, Chakmas in Bangladesh must realize that your people in Chakma, your people in Chittagong may not go beyond their territory and create problem. And some militant outfit belong to Chakma people as well. They should be also asked to normalize the situation, because if you go as a political power, also as an armed group, it may not work properly. It misfunction is dysfunction, is kind of suicidal. So I believe raise voice, keep patient, trust the political will of the Chakma people, also Indian population, have their own territory in their own land. And when Noresh will go to Bangladesh, he will carry the message that people of Assam, we are really supporting of Chakma people, but they should elect their own people with their own choice, with no dictation from Dhaka, with no kind of manipulation from Bangladeshi Muslims political cloud. That is my submission. And I believe when you talk about the issues, Chakmas is a very long issue, because we are really suffering. So Assamese, you can say, united in a difficult times. So we are also victim of the particular aggression. We are also victim. Let's unite it. And I believe enter Southeast Asia or enter Asia or this region should get united. All indigenous people should get united, have the liberation, make some political issues, and make people in Delhi, in Dhaka, in maybe Bangkok listen to our voice.
Santu Larma narco terrorism Bangladesh Army nor agent Bekune Baradot Havarfan RHCC and All India Chakma Students Union or Conference or Sakma Nora Janedilak Paturuturu.